Oh yeah. Are you doing it? What, are you doing that so on? Yeah. Okay. You guys ready? I would drop it off.
You paid for this. It's great. Most people you know are too chicken to do this. You are all cooler than most people you know.
Go, go, go!
Or tougher, I suppose.
Look, it's cool. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh fuck.
Right here, bro.
Hey Lisa, how you doing? That's the best I've felt so far.